Hi everyone, good day. My name is Wilfred William and my matrix number is 36 UP20F1075. So today I am ready to talk about organic farming. What is organic farming? Organic farming lowers the risk of environmental pollution and helps to reduce greenhouse gas emission by severely restricting the use of manufactured chemical fertilizers and pesticides which come from burning fossil fuels. In other words, organic farming is a farming method that involves growing and nurturing crops without the use of synthetic-based fertilizers and pesticides. Also, no genetically modified organisms are permitted. For example, organic farming is agriculture that makes healthy food, healthy soils, healthy plants, and healthy environments a priority along with crop productivity. Thank you, that's all from me.
Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to Madam Anna. So today I will present about regulation in benefits of organic farming in the perspective of agriculture sector. Okay, so my part is about regulation. Organic agriculture is defined formally by governments. Farmers must be certified for their produce and products to be labeled organic, and there are specific organic standards for crops, animals, and wild-crafted products and for the processing of agricultural products. Organic standards in the European Union and the United States, for example, prohibit the use of synthetic pesticides, fertilizers, ionizing radiation, sewage sludge, and genetically engineered plants or products. In the UE, organic certification and inspection is carried out by approved organic control bodies according to UE standards. Organic farming has been defined by the National Organic Standards of the US Department of Agriculture USDA since 2000, and there are many accredited organic certifiers across the country. Next, I will pass to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Lapis Atika binti Asminin. I am from class DUP4C. My matrix number is 36 UP20F1112. There are methods by which organic farming is practiced as follows. The number one, crop variety. At present, a new practice has come into existence in which a variety of crops can be cultivated at the same time just to meet the growing demand of crops. Point number two, soil supervision. At the end and cultivation of crops, the quality of soil depleted. Organic agriculture helps to increase the health of soil in a natural way, uses bacteria present in animal waste which makes soil productive. Point number three, weed control. Weed is the unwanted or useless plant that grows in agricultural fields. But organic agriculture lowers the weed rather than removing it completely. The number four, controlling other organisms. Agricultural farm is impacted by both useful and harmful organisms. The development of such organisms is restricted to the use of herbicides and pesticides that comprises less chemicals and organic to keep the soil and the crops protected.
I'm Nursabella Binti Abdul Sama from class DUP4A with Catetrix 36 DUP20F1061. So for my part, I will present to you about the benefits of organic farming in the perspective of agriculture sector. Firstly, we have nutrient-rich food. So what is nutrient-rich food? Nutrient-rich food is something that comes from an organic farms that are managed and nurtured using only sustainable practice, which means greens. The food crops that are produced organically are going to fill with nutrients such as minerals, vitamins, enzymes, and many other microbiological, biotrical related to those conventional farms. Then next, we have other benefits, which is organic farming builds healthy soils. So in terms to grow a healthy food, it all must started with a healthy soil, right? That is why natural cultivation practices are adapted because it is far more better than a chemical soil management, where it helps in improving water infiltrations and retention capacity of high levels of organic matter and permanent soil cover. On top of that, studies by Agricultural Research Service (ARS) shows that organic farming builds up organic soil far more better than conventional no-till farming. And fun fact, Dr. Elaine Inghams, who is an American microbiologist and soil biology researcher, stated that 1 teaspoon of compost-rich organic soil can cause as many as 600 million to 1 billion helpful bacteria that is coming from 15,000 species to help grow healthier foods and plantations. So that is where we start to change our lifestyle into more greener and healthier lifestyle by implementing these green practices in our lives. I think that is all for my part. I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Umu Hani Amira binti Hamis and my cut matrix is 360P20F106. So my part is presenting about the benefit of organic farming. So some of the benefits of organic farming are like fighting the effect of global warming. So if you may know, Rodale Institution Farming System trial is an American longest running side-by-side comparison of conventional and organic agriculture. And the trial is that they're running since 1981 that has shown that a health organic agriculture system can actually reduce the carbon dioxide and help solve the climate change. In fact, the Rodale research showed that almost if only like 10,000 medium-sized farms in the US converted to the organic production, they would store so much carbon in the soil that it would be equivalent to take almost 1 billion car off a road and reduce the car miles drive by like 14.62 billion. So there are other benefits, and beside that, the other benefits are organic farming support the water conservation and the water length. Like for example, dwindling the water supply and poor water health are very real threats. So when our water supply is at risk, people and the planet end up suffering. So in case the American river noted that a major water pollution threatened, for example, the US river, is runoff from a non-organic farming, such as like the harmful, toxic, and animal waste, this thing can actually affect them. That is why the organic farming helps keep our water supply clean by stopping that polluted runoff and also help to conserve the water. And organic farm in general tend to spend time amending the soil correctly and using much both of the water helps conserve water. Well, that is all from me. I pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
My name is Noraida binti Podin. So today I will explain about conclusion benefit of organics in the perspective of agriculture sector. When agriculture operates as sustainable managed, they can preserve and restore critical habits, help protect watershed, and improve soil health and water quality. But unsustainable practice have serious impact on people and the environment. The need for sustainable resources management is increasingly urgent. Demand for agricultural commodities is rising rapidly as the world population grows. Agriculture's deep connection to the world economy, human society, and biodiversity make it one of the most important important front lines for conservation around the globe. So that's it from me.